Other news in detail. Former MLA and All India Trinamool Congress leader George Lyngdoh is likely to return to the Congress. Revealing this today, Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Chief Vincent Pala said that the party has approached him to contest MDC election as Congress candidate, and he is taking his supporters into confidence before finalizing his entry into the party. Lyngdoh, along with several other Congress MLAs, had jumped to Trinamool Congress before 2023 assembly polls. However, he could not win the election. Recently, he also established Umroi Constituency Progressive Forum, UCPF, in preparation for the upcoming MDC elections in 2025.
George and requested him to join the Congress. I think he is taking the confidence of his people today or tomorrow, and hopefully that he will take a positive decisions, because I told him if we need good people, then we need good politicians also.
Meghalaya Pradesh